I'm going to teach you how to create and send a plain text email campaign in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted a clean, distraction-free message that looks personal and delivers reliably, this walkthrough is for you. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Campaigns. This is your central hub for anything you plan to send. Next, click Create Campaign. When Mailchimp asks what type of campaign you want, choose Email. This tells Mailchimp you're building a traditional email rather than, say, a social post or postcard. You'll be asked for an internal campaign name. This label is just for you and your team, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to find later, like a date and topic. When you're ready, click Begin. In the Content step, select Plain Text Email instead of the regular drag-and-drop designer. Plain text keeps everything simple. No images, no buttons, just words that render consistently across inboxes. It often feels more personal and can help with deliverability, especially for audiences that prefer minimal formatting. Now add your subject line and preview text. Keep the subject concise and clear about the value inside. The preview text is that short line most inboxes show next to the subject. Use it to complement the subject, not repeat it. Avoid spammy punctuation and make sure it sets the right expectation for what's in the email. Type your email content directly into the plain text editor. Remember, this is all text, so format with simple line breaks. Keep paragraphs short for easy reading, use clear headings made of plain text if needed, and place your call to action as a straightforward URL that's easy to recognize and click. Write like you're talking to one person, and be sure your tone matches your brand. If you reference a link, double-check the URL right in the body. When you're done, click Next to review your email. Scan for typos, skim the flow from subject to sign-off, and confirm your links are correct. Look for awkward line breaks or long walls of text that could be split for readability. Before sending, click Send Test and email a copy to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile to make sure the subject, preview, and line spacing look right. If anything feels off, go back and fine-tune. Once everything looks good, click Send to launch immediately, or schedule your email for a later date and time. Choose a time your audience is most likely to engage, confirm the details, and you're done.